Good day to each and everyone. My name is Daren Ferrer, a third-year student from Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, and I'm going to discuss the different parts of microscope. Parts of the microscope. Laboratory activity number 3. Presented by yours truly, Daren Ferrer, from Bachelor of Science in Education, third year, Block 1. First, let us know what is microscope. Microscope is an instrument that is used to magnify small objects. Some microscope can be used to observe an object at the cellular level, allowing scientists to see the shape of the cell, its nucleus, mitochondria, and other organelles. While the modern microscope has many parts, the most important pieces are its lenses. So, the microscope is simple as an instrument that is used to magnify small objects. It came from the ancient Greek word mikros, or small, and skopien, or to look or see. Next, let us know the different parts of a microscope. First is the eyepiece or ocular lens. The eyepiece or ocular lens is a cylinder containing two or more lenses placed inside a cylindrical housing called a barrel. The role of these lenses is to bring the image into focus for the eye. As we know, eye produces actual imaging, but eyepiece or ocular lenses have some field lenses. These field lenses are used to expand the field of view. So, the eyepiece in microscope has the role of bringing the image into focus for the eye. Again, the role of the eyepiece lens is to bring the image into the focus for the eye. Next is the revolving nosepiece. Several objective lenses of varying magnification and numerical aperture are mounted on the revolving nosepiece. The nosepiece must click into place for the objective lens to be in proper alignment. So, the revolving nosepiece or the nosepiece of the microscope is a rotating turret that houses the objective lenses. The viewer spins the nosepiece to select different objective lenses. Next is the objective lenses. The objective lens gathers light from the specimen, magnifies the image of the specimen, and projects the magnified image into the body tube. Since no single objective lens can fulfill all the needs of someone using the microscope, several objective lenses of varying magnification and numerical aperture are mounted on the rotating nosepiece. In other words, the objective lenses are one of the most important parts of the compound microscope, as they are the lenses closest to the specimen. Next is the coarse adjustment screw. The coarse adjustment knob or screw located on the arm of the microscope moves the stage up and down to bring the specimen into focus. The gearing mechanism of the adjustment produces a large vertical movement of the stage with only a partial revolution of the knob. the coarse adjustment screw or the coarse adjustment knob brings the specimen into general focus. Next is the fine adjustment knob. Fine adjustment screw or knob is inside the coarse adjustment knob and is used to bring the specimen into sharp focus under low power and is used for all focusing when using high power lenses. In short, fine adjustment screw fine-tunes the focus and increase the detail of the specimen. Next is the frame or the stage and stage clips. The stage is the horizontal surface upon which the slide is placed. The slide is held in place by spring-loaded clips and moved around the stage by turning the geared knobs on the stage. The stage has two perpendicular scales that can be used to record the position of an object on a slide. It is useful if you want to quickly relocate an object. In short, the stage is the flat platform where the slide is placed, while the stage clips are the metal clips that hold the slide in place. Next is the light source or mirror. The light source in your microscope is the lamp that turns on and off using a switch. You can adjust the intensity of the light by turning the light adjustment. This knob is calibrated with a scale from 1 to 10. Its low intensity, 1 is the low intensity and 10 is the highest intensity. Next is the diaphragm and condenser. Iris diaphragm adjusts the amount of light that reaches the specimen, while the condenser gathers and focuses the light from the illuminator onto the specimen being viewed. Last but not the least is the frame or arm, the part of the microscope that connects the eyepiece tube to the base. Again, the frame or the arm is the part of the microscope that connects the eyepiece tube to the base. Let us summarize. The parts of the microscope is the eyepiece, ocular lens, the revolving nosepiece, objective lens, coarse adjustment knob, fine adjustment knob, frame or arm, stage and stage clips, light source or mirror, diaphragm and condenser. Now let's have a recap. The eyepiece or ocular lens. The role of these lenses is to bring the image into focus for the eye. Next is the nosepiece, a rotating turret that houses the objective lenses. The viewer spins the nosepiece to select different objective lenses. Next is the objective lenses, one of the most important parts of a compound microscope, as they are the lenses closest to the specimen. Next is the coarse adjustment knob or coarse adjustment screw. It brings the specimen into general focus, while the fine adjustment knob fine-tunes the focus and increases the detail of the specimen. Next is the stage and stage clips. The stage is the flat platform where the slide is placed, while the stage clips are metal clips that hold the slide in place. Next is the light source or mirror. The light source of a microscope is used to reflect light from an external source up through the bottom of the stage. However, most microscopes now use a low voltage bulb. So the mirror is the light source of the microscope. Last but not the least is the diaphragm and condenser. Iris diaphragm adjusts the amount of light that reaches the specimen, while the condenser gathers and focuses the light from the illuminator onto the specimen being viewed. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.